Good PM. Today is December 30, 2023, Saturday, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, December 30, 2023. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for December 30, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Saturday, December 30, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.